Hello kids, welcome back again in maths class in standard 5 English medium. Subject is maths. Chapter number 4. Today I am going to introduce about new chapter fraction, addition and subtraction. What is a fraction? What is a fraction? So fraction is a part of a whole or collection. Fraction is a part of a whole or a collection. Here one circle may be divided into two parts. That means it's called fraction. 1 out of 2. This one is called numerator and this one is called denominator. This one is called numerator and this one is called denominator. Now in fraction, more type of fraction. Here equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed fraction. Now look here in detail equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction have the same value or represent the same part of a whole. Equivalent fraction have the same value or represent the same part of a whole. Example 1 out of 2, 2 out of 4, 4 out of 8. In both numbers fractions, values are same. Like fraction. Fraction that have the same denominator are called like fraction. Fraction that have the same denominator. All numbers denominators are same, that fraction are called like fraction. Here given some example 9 out of 3, 4 out of 3 and 6 out of 3. In both this pair, both denominator are 3, 3, 3. That means these fractions are called like fraction. Here unlike fraction that have the different denominator. Unlike fraction that have the different denominator are called unlike fraction. Fraction that have the different denominator are called unlike fraction. Here example are given 2 out of 3, 5 out of 2 and 9 out of 4. In both numbers, both denominator are different. That means these factors are called unlike fraction. Now next one, proper fraction. Proper fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Proper fractions, fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. Here example 3 out of 7, 2 out of 5, 1 out of 5. In both here numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is smaller and denominator are bigger. These type of fractions are called proper fraction. Improper fraction. What is the improper fraction? Improper fraction in which the numerator is greater than denominator are called improper fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fraction. Look here 8 out of 5, 9 out of 7, 3 out of 2. The numerator is bigger and denominator are smaller. These type of fraction are called improper fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is 1 are called unit fraction. Fraction in which the numerator is 1 are called unit fraction. Example 1 out of 3, 1 out of 7, 1 out of 5 and 1 out of 10. In both the numerator is 1, 1, 1, 1. That means these type of fractions are called unit fraction. Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction are made up of a whole number and proper fraction. Mixed fraction are made up of a whole number and proper fraction. Here 2, 1 out of 4, 4, 3 out of 5. Here whole number this one and this one is the proper fraction. This one is whole number and this one is a proper fraction. Now next one. To convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, use the formula. To convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. How to convert it? Look here, improper fraction is equal to whole number multiply denominator plus numerator divide by denominator. Divide by denominator. Look here, 2, 1 out of 3. This one is called mixed fraction. These fractions are called mixed fraction. Now, this fraction convert into improper fraction. How to convert? This one is the whole number, this one is the numerator, and this one is the denominator. Whole number. Here formula is whole number. Whole number is 2. Multiply by denominator. Multiply by 3 plus numerator. That means 1. And divide by denominator means 3. Now do it. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 divide by 3. It's make 7 out of 3. These fractions are called improper fraction. Why this fraction is called improper fraction? Because numerator is greater and denominator are smaller. Denominator is smaller. That means this type fractions are called improper fraction. Next one, to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. How to convert it to improper to mixed fraction? Look here, mixed fractions is equal to quotient multiply remainder out of divisor. Look here, 7 out of 3. 7 out of 3. These fractions are called mixed fraction. So divide it. 7 divide by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Here 7 minus 6 1. Now write it. Quotient. Quotient is what? 2. So first write 2 here. Remainder. Remainder is what? 1. And divisor here 3. So it's make 2 1 out of 3. This fraction convert to improper fraction to mixed fractions. Now solve the exercise number 4.1. Look here, compare the following fractions by LCM method. Compare the following fractions by LCM method. Here 4 out of 7 and 5 out of 9. First we find LCM of 7 and 9. So LCM of 7 and 9. 7 ones are 7 and 9 down. 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. That means LCM of 7 and 9 is equal to 63. LCM of 7 and 9. LCM of 7 and 9 is equal to 63. First we make the denominator the same, equal. First we made the denominators is equal. So 4 out of 7 is equal to 4 out of 7. Which digit multiply with 7? You get answer is 63. That means 9. So you multiply 9 with also 9 with a numerator also 9 and denominator also 9. 9 fours are 36 and 7 nines are 63. Again 5 out of 9. Which digit multiply with 9? You get answer is 63. That means 7. So 7 out of 7. 7 5s are 35 and 9 7s are 63. In both you check it both numerator. Here 36 numerator and this one 35. So in both 35 and 36, which one is the greater? Which one is the greater? 36 या 35? 36 is the greater. So 4 out of 7 greater than 5 out of 9. Next one. 7 out of 11 and 8 out of 15. First we find both LCM. LCM you find it 11 and 15. First 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5 and 11 1 जा 11. LCM is equal to 15 multiplied by 11. 15 multiplied by 11. 5 1 जा 5, 1 1 1 जा 1, 0, 5 1 जा 5 and 1 1 जा 1. 5, 6 and 1. LCM of 11 and 15 is equal to 165. First we convert the denominator the same. So 7 out of 11 multiplied by is equal to 7 out of 11 multiplied by 15 out of 15. 15 multiply 7. 105 out of 165. 105 out of 165. 8 out of 15 is equal to 8 out of 15 multiplied by 11 out of 11. 11 8 जा 88 and 15 11 जा 165. Now check it both numerator. Here 105 and here 88. In both 105 is a greater, that means you keep here greater than symbol. So 7 out of 11 greater than 8 out of 15. 8 out of 15. Look here. Here's are given mixed fraction. Here's are given mixed fraction. So first we convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So 4, 2 out of 7 is equal to 7 4 जा 28 plus 2 30 out of 7 and 4 3 out of 5. 5 4 जा 20 20 plus 3 23 out of 5. Then LCM of 7 and 5. 5 1 जा 5 and 7 1 जा 7. So LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. Then first we convert in equivalent fractions. So 30 out of 7 is equal to 30 multiplied by 5 out of 5. 35 is 150 out of 35. Then 23 out of 5 is equal to 23 out of 5 multiply 7 out of 7. 23 multiplied by 7. 161 out of 35. Now check the both numerator. Here 150 and here 161. In both, which one is the greater? Which one is the greater? This one is the greater. That means 4 2 out of 7 less than 4 3 out of 5. 4 3 out of 5. Now next one, question number 2. Question number 2. Compare the following fraction by cross multiplication. Compare the following fractions by cross multiplications method. Here 3 out of 8 and 5 out of 7. So 3 out of 8 and 5 out of 7. Cross multiplication, you multiply with the cross. So 3 multiplied by 7 21 and 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40. So compare both number 21 and 40. In both number, which one is the greater? So 40 is the greater. That means, so 3 out of 8 less than 5 out of 7. 5 out of 7. Next one, 9 out of 13, 11 out of 14. Now multiply to cross. 9 multiplied by 14. 14 126 and 13 multiplied by 11 is equal to what? So 3 ones are 3, 1 ones are 1. Here 3 and 1, 0, 4, 1, 114. And 126 and 114, this one is a greater. That means you keep here less than symbol. That means 126. So 9 out of 13 less than 11 out of 14. 11 out of 14. 2, 3 out of 5 and 8, 7 out of 9. So 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 out of 5. And 9 8s are 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79 out of 9. Multiply, you cross. 13 multiplied by 9 and 5 multiplied by 79. 117. 17 multiplied by 5. 5 9s are 45, carry over 4. 7 5s are 35 plus 4. 35 plus 4, 39. 395. In both 117 and 395, this one is a greater. That means 3 out of 5 less than 17 out of 9. Now next exercise number 4.2, page number 62 and 64. Arrange the following like fraction in ascending order. Arrange the following like fraction in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller number to bigger number, smaller number to bigger number. First we can arrange the numerator in smaller way to bigger way. Here 7, then 7, then 15, then 16, then 21, then 24, then 32. Now write with the denominator. 7 out of 38 less than 15 out of 38 less than 16 out of 38 less than 21 out of 38 less than 24 out of 38 less than 32 out of 38. So smaller way to bigger way. We arrange the numbers to smaller way to bigger way. Same way, first we find smaller number here in both 8, then 19, then 24, then 37, then 48, last one is the 51. Now write with the denominator. 8 out of 53 less than 19 out of 53 less than 24 out of 53 less than 37 out of 53 less than 48 out of 53 less than 51 out of 43. We arrange the both number to smaller way to bigger way. Now next one. Arrange the following like fraction in descending order. Descending order, that means you arrange that number biggest number to smallest number. In both, first we find biggest number. Which one is the biggest? 42. Then 37. Then 33. Then 29. Then 11. Then last one is a 5. Write with the denominator. So 42 out of 46 greater than 37 out of 46 greater than 33 out of 46 greater than 29 out of 46 greater than 11 out of 46 greater than 5 out of 46. We arrange the both number to biggest way to smallest way. Now same way here in both number, which one is the greatest? 68 greater than 63, then greater than 52, then 44, then 34, then 29. Write with the denominator. 68 out of 71 greater than 63 out of 71 greater than 52 out of 71 greater than 44 out of 71 greater than 34 out of 71 and 29 out of 71. We can arrange here biggest way to smallest way. Now next one, arrange the following unlike fraction in ascending order. Arrange the following unlike fraction in ascending order. Here these both fractions are unlike fraction. First, arranging the denominator in descending order we get. So arranging the denominator in descending order. Descending order, that means biggest way to smallest way. So 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2. So we get 7 greater than 6 greater than 5 greater than 4 greater than 3 greater than 2. Now, so 9 out of 7 less than 6 out of 7 less than 5 out of 7 less than 4 out of 7. Oh, sorry. Again it 7 means 9 out of 7, then 9 out of 6, then 9 out of 5, then 9 out of 4, then 9 out of 3, then 9 out of 2. It is right. Now next one. First we arrange the denominator in descending order. In both descend, which one is the greater? 24, then 21, then 18, then 15, then 13, then 11. So 26 out of 24, then 26 out of 21, then 26 out of 18, then 15 out of 26 out of 15, then 26 out of 13, then 26 out of 11. Now next one. Arrange the following unlike fraction in descending order. Arrange the following unlike fractions in descending order. Here some questions are given. Arrange the denominators in ascending order. Arrange the denominator in ascending order. First, these both denominators are given here. In both number, which one is the smallest? So 2, then 5, then 6, then 8, then 9, and last one 11. So 13 out of 2, then 13 out of 5, then 13 out of 6, then 13 out of 8, then 13 out of 9, then 11 out of 9. So we arrange the unlike fraction to descending order. Next one, in both number, which one is the smallest? In both number 29, then 37, then 40, then 43, then 52 and 58. So 61 out of 29, then 61 out of 37, then 61 out of 40, then 61 out of 43, then 52 out of 61 out of 52, then 61 out of 58. So we arrange the unlike fractions in descending order. Thank you.